Hi, I'm Misha, and I'm here at Beatty High School in Beatty, Nevada, and I'm going to tell you about school lockers. My books are over here for all my classes. I have them organized so that my first period, my beginning classes are like here for my books, and my ending classes are here. These are my after lunch ones. I have my first period books up there. It's easy access for my first class. My second, third, and fourth period classes are down here. This is my second class, and then it goes third class, and then chemistry, and then U.S. history. I organize it by going a book folder, book folder, book folder, so that I know which classes belong with which books. Book folder, book folder, book folder, book folder, so that it makes everything easy access. It's important to keep your school locker organized because it makes it easier for you to get everything and get to your class on time.